Which part of my wedding day am I most excited about? I am looking forward towards putting that ring on and kissing each other and knowing that that is what just sealed the deal. I think every bride says that. I'm also really looking forward to the food. Oh my God. This wedding is gonna be surrounded by food. I think our theme is food. I might just pull up in a Lady Gaga meat dress. But like, we love food so much. So of course we have to give our guests the best of the best. Okay, so in the Netherlands, you have like typical Dutch snacks. You have the frikandel, you have the croquettes, you have the kaas soufflé. Amazing like fried sort of snacks. And they're typical Dutch. And you can serve the best food of the world, but people will go nuts for a febo-muur. If you're not Dutch, you're not gonna know what it is, but it's like a wall that you can like get snacks out of. At the very end of our wedding, we're gonna have a febo-muur. It's brilliant. I am working on a wedding registry. What's funny is the dress that I'm working on is, pushing the budget a little bit. And by a little bit, I mean a lot. So my invite is literally gonna say, please think of scented candles and or some money because the budget got pushed by a lot. So everything is welcome. If I get at least 2 scented candles, I'm happy. I feel like I'm gonna get like 50 scented candles, but it's fine, it's fine.